let us come back and do your 2013 paper again. Here they've given you one question, 1 mark question. In 1 mark question again they've given a choice like this. So let's read. Write the dispersed phase and dispersion medium of the following colloidal systems. They've given me 2 examples, smoke and milk. So in this video number 21, I've given a table rather, where I've explained you the interaction between dispersed phase and dispersion medium, taking different examples, right? Please go watch that video. You have to remember the whole table. As I already said, any example can be given and you're supposed to write the dispersed phase and dispersed medium. So watch that video which under in the playlist, that is video number 21. Let's come back. They've given us what are lyophilic and lyophobic colloids. Which of these salts can be easily coagulated on addition of electrolyte. Okay, I have done a video based on nature of lyophilic and lyophobic colloid. I also asked you to remember this word, that is IRS. Remember that, IRS, not Indian Railway Services. IRS, I also said intrinsic, reversible and stable. In that way, I have also explained which is coagulated by an electrolyte in video number 22. Please watch that video. Done. After that, they've asked me to write the differences between physisorption and chemisorption. Okay, this was my second video after introduction video. But here what do they do? You're not supposed to write all the 10 differences, but you have to write specifically based on specificity, which I did, temperature dependence, which I did, reversibility, yes, I did that criteria also, and enthalpy change. So you have to divide the page into 2 equal halves, write the subheading and write the answer for that. So for that, please watch video number 2. Done. So I'm done with this. Please go back to the video, watch the playlist. For me, the main reason is I don't want you to lose even a half mark also. That is my concept. So come back and do 2012 paper.